How to create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the edit page. Ensure that your video is already placed on the timeline and ready for editing. Next, just above your video in the timeline, right-click and select the option to add a subtitle track. This action will create a dedicated track for your subtitles. Once the subtitle track is created, left-click on the track and then go to the Inspector tab located in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select the option to create a caption and your first subtitle will be added to the track. Now, type in your desired text for the subtitle in the text box provided. After typing the subtitle, you can click on the track tab where you can customize the font style, color, size, and make many other adjustments to ensure the subtitle matches your video's aesthetic and readability. Once you have finished customizing the subtitle, move your timeline playhead to the point in the video where you want to create the second subtitle. For example, if you want the second subtitle to appear right after the first one, simply click on the Add New button from the Caption tab to add another subtitle. In the timeline, you can adjust the duration of each subtitle by dragging its edge to reduce or increase its size. You can also play through the video to see how the subtitle appear and make any necessary adjustment. And that's it. Now you know how to create subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.